CO2 is warming the planet. And the equation on CO2 is actually a very straightforward one. If you sum up the CO2 that gets emitted, that leads to a temperature increase. And that temperature increase leads to some very negative effects. The effects on the weather, perhaps worse, the indirect effects in that the natural ecosystems can't adjust to these rapid changes, and so you get ecosystem collapses. Now, we put out a lot of carbon dioxide every year, over 26 billion tons. For each American, it's about 20 tons. For people in poor countries, it's less than 1 ton. It's an average about 5 tons for everyone on the planet. And somehow we have to make changes that will bring that down to zero. This equation has 4 factors, a little bit of multiplication. So you've got a thing on the left, CO2, that you want to get to zero. And that's going to be based on the number of people, the services each person's using on average, the energy on average for each service, and the CO2 being put out per unit of energy. So let's look at each one of these and see how we can get this down to zero. Probably one of these numbers is going to have to get pretty near to zero. That's back from high school algebra. But let's take a look. First, we've got population. The world today has 6.8 billion people. That's headed up to about 9 billion. Now, if we do a really great job on new vaccines, health care, reproductive health services, we could lower that by perhaps 10 or 15%. But there we see an increase of about 1.3. New vaccines, health care, reproductive health services, we could lower that by perhaps 10 or 15%.
Oui, parce que quand il dit un de ces chiffres va devoir être proche de zéro, tout le monde comprend de qui il parle, c'est-à-dire de nous. Si on fait un bon boulot sur les nouveaux vaccins, services de santé, la santé reproductive, on pourrait réduire de 10 à 15% la population. C'est regrettable que vous n'ayez pas le son, mais je donnerai le lien à qui le veut, parce qu'il faut quand même savoir que ce monsieur le dit. Il est dans un colloque avec des gens qui sont apparemment ses potes, quoi, qui a sa cause. C'est pour ça qu'ils rigolent tous quand il dit one of these numbers should be close to zero. Un de ces chiffres devra devenir proche de zéro. Ils se marrent tous. Parce qu'effectivement, ils savent bien que ce n'est pas ni le CO2 ni les services qui vont être proches de zéro, donc il ne reste plus que nous, en fait. Oui, ils font tous partie du club des billionnaires, ouais.